Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to delete PayPal account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your PayPal account app or in website, then go to your profile. Then after, over here you can see the option of close account. If you scroll little down, make sure your internet connection is stable as well for faster connections. Then if you would like to ask to delete your data before closing your account, it might be closed as well. So tap on close account. We are sorry to see you go. Your account has been closed. Now your account has been deleted from PayPal. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.